Is Capcut frozen on your PC, making you want to throw your computer out the window? Don't worry, I'm here to help. First, let's force quit Capcut. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard to open the security options screen, then select Task Manager. In Task Manager, find Capcut in the list of running apps. Click on it, and then click the End Task button at the bottom right. This will completely close Capcut. Next, let's optimize your graphics settings for Capcut. Type graphics settings in your Windows search bar and open it. Click Browse, locate the Capcut executable file usually found in Program Files Added, then click Options. Set the graphics preference to High Performance and click Save. This tells your computer to use your dedicated graphics card for Capcut. Now, let's clear some temporary files that might be slowing things down. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open it. Make sure Temporary Files is checked. You can also check other options to free up more space. Click OK to run the cleanup. Don't worry, this won't delete any important files. Finally, restart Capcut. Hopefully, these steps have fixed the problem, and you're back to editing smoothly. If it's still acting up, try restarting your entire computer or reinstalling Capcut.